A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. 8th graders, in last session we have studied about chapter 4. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 5, and chapter 5 is related to computer subject. Chapter 5 name is List and Tables in HTML. Before discussing the concept of list and tables in HTML, in starting we need to discuss about what is HTML. What is the full form of HTML? So the full form of HTML, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. H means hyper, T means text, M means mark, and L is language. So it is hypertext markup language. It is a hypertext markup language that is used to create the web pages, that is used to design the web pages in a programming language. It is a markup language, and HTML used a number of tags to define a program. Before going to detail, I want to tell something more. HTML came in market in 1991. When it came in market in 1991, and whenever it came in market in 91, total tags were, these were 18 tags. Right now we are using more than 100 tags, but when it came in market, total number of tags were 18. And currently in 2017, the latest version came, that is HTML 5.2, that we are using right now. So in starting it came with 18 tags, afterward new updation came, new professional version came. Right now we are using HTML 5.2 that came in 2017. So how to write a HTML basic program, how to write the program in HTML, what is the structure, we will discuss in this session. So for writing HTML program, we need these 4 important tags. At least these 4 tags are required. First tag is HTML, second is head, third is title, fourth is body tag. Again more thing, we are having 2 types of tag. One is container and second is known as empty. What is the meaning of container? That will open and close, or we can speak, it is also known as paired tag, that is in the form of pair, while empty tag will be open only. That's why it is known as singular tag. It is single. It is known as singular tag. So till now we have studied what is HTML, and these are at least basic tags, at least 4 tags we required to write a HTML program. Now next part, what is the structure of HTML program? So the basic structure of HTML program is, at first you need to start with HTML, and every time each particular tag is written in opening and closing brackets. It is opening and closing bracket, always it is written in this form. So we will write HTML in starting, and it is predefined structure, we cannot change. It is first tag that is written always, afterward head is there, just after HTML, after HTML title is there, and fourth tag that is body tag that we are using. So how we are operating? HTML is the main tag that will tell from where program is getting starting. Head tag will define what is the heading of program. We want to define any heading, that will be written with the help of heading tag. And title will define what is the title of page. What is the title of page, that will be written in between. Now see the concept. Title I have written one time here, one time I have written in this position. What is the difference? Difference is that if I am writing in this form, it is opening, it is the opening of tag. If I am writing in this form, it means by using slash I have written here, it is the closing of tag. So any tag that is getting open and close, that is known as container tag. Afterward, after completion of title, we need to close head tag. Afterward, head tag will be closed. After head tag, body tag will be start. And whatsoever we want to write in the body tag, we will write the statements. And afterward, body tag will also be closed. And after completion of body tag, only one tag is left that we need to complete, and that is known as HTML. See now, head is closed here, title closed here, body closed here, and HTML closed at last. HTML started in starting and it closed here. All tags are known as container tag that are opening and closing. Now one question arises, which tag is known as singular tag, or we can speak empty tag. There are some tags that need not to close. We need to just open it. And the example of these tags that I am discussing, that is HR tag, and one more tag that we are having, that is BR tag. These tags we need not to close. We need to open only. It is for line break. It is for straight line. Horizontal rule, it is for straight line. So let's proceed to the next point now.